everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Plustek OpticBook 3600 flatbed book scanner, the J-ZMQER 6 FT USB cable. It might seem like just another cable, but as we all know, a reliable connection is absolutely crucial for smooth operation, especially when you're dealing with important data transfers from a scanner. This particular cable from J-ZMQER is designed to be a perfect match for the Plustek OpticBook 3600. Its generous 6-foot length offers excellent flexibility, allowing you to position your scanner and PC or laptop comfortably without being tethered too closely. This isn't just a power cord, it's a dedicated data sync cord, ensuring that your scanned documents and images transfer quickly and efficiently to your computer. The brand emphasizes its capability for high-speed charging as well, which, while perhaps not the primary function for a scanner cable, speaks to its overall robust design and ability to handle power delivery effectively. What truly sets this J-ZMQER cable apart, and something that should always be a top priority, is its commitment to safety. The product boasts international quality certification, adhering to top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff, it translates into real-world protection for your devices. It includes multiple safety mechanisms, such as safeguards against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. For anyone who has experienced issues with unreliable cables, this level of protection offers significant peace of mind, knowing that your valuable scanner and computer are protected from potential electrical mishaps. The convenience factor is also worth noting. Choosing a cable specifically designed for your device, like this one for the Plustek OpticBook 3600, eliminates guesswork and ensures optimal performance. It's a simple plug-and-play solution that promises to integrate seamlessly into your setup, making your daily scanning tasks much more straightforward and reliable. The manufacturer's reminder to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing is a good one, highlighting the importance of this cable's specific compatibility. Ultimately, for owners of the Plustek OpticBook 3600 flatbed book scanner, investing in a high-quality, purpose-built cable like this J-ZMQER 6 FT USB data sync cord is a smart decision. It's not just about connecting two devices. It's about ensuring consistent data transfer, protecting your equipment with advanced safety features, and enjoying a hassle-free scanning experience. It truly aims to provide convenience and ensure an ideal daily life for its users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.